How to permanently delete Snapchat account. To permanently delete your Snapchat account, you may follow up this process. Second, head over to Snapchat and go to your profile in the top left, tap on it, and when you tap on it, your profile page appears on your screen. Now, from here, look for your settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and tap on it to access your settings like this, and you will be finding it. Now from here, you may just go ahead and find the option called delete account. You can just go ahead and find it within your settings, find it up and tap on it. And when you do, it will start the process. And then you will be directly taken to accounts.snapchat.com in your browser. There you may just go ahead and enter your username and password for the account you wish to delete. And on the next screen, you will be asked to re-enter your username and everything and confirm it is you. Once it is done, you can click on continue to submit your request like this right here. And here you just need to go ahead and provide in your password in order to continue. And once you continue to submit your request, your account will be deactivated. And after a 30-day deactivation period, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you do not log in back into your account within 30 days, it will be permanently deleted, and all your data, including snaps, chats, and memories, will also be erased. So therefore, if you'd like to delete your Snapchat account permanently, this is the method you can follow up. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.